Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a really fun bikini try-on haul featuring Cupshe. Y'all know my obsession with Cupshe runs so deep. I've been working with them for years, but I used to buy their bathing suits I think they were my first postpartum bathing suit that I ever bought, and I still own it, still love it. It's a must. It's a must wear all the time, but I love Cupshe's bikinis. They're affordable, they're cute, they have the coolest patterns, and they do amazing collabs. I have a couple in here from Olivia Culpo, right? Olivia Culpo? Yeah, she's married to the, what is he? She's married to the guy who plays for the 49ers. Anywho, I'm excited to share with you everything. I'm gonna do a little try on, show you what they look like. You guys know we are looking for a house with a pool, so hopefully I'll be able to wear these very soon. Stay tuned for details on that. But yeah, I have a ton. You guys, I was just sweating trying all these on, but I do it for you guys just so you can see fit, size. I have a larger bust and I carry a lot of my weight in my hips. So I tend to size up to a medium. I'd rather it be bigger than squeezing and giving me some jelly rolls, which you'll see in some of these. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump in. Again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video. And they also generously provided a coupon code, which is Love Kelly, and that will save you 15% off orders of $65 or more. Always check the details in the description box down below. I link anything that they've updated or given me any other special coupons, and I will have all the exact bikinis that I mentioned and sizing as well, my general measurements, and then what sizes I chose. So let's get into the details. So I'm gonna go in no particular order, okay? We're just gonna pull and go, okay? So let's start with this first one. I know this one specifically is from the Olivia Culpo collection, and I loved this pattern. This pattern is giving for love and lemons, so cute. I love all the ruffly details on the top. Adjustable straps as always. Most bikinis from Cupshe have removable cup pads, but they're so good. They're meant to be in there. They're not like those weird ones that you just feel like, ugh, rip them out immediately. I actually kept all of these in and loved the way they fit. This one I will say is a teeny bit small. For me, I should have sized up. The cup size is okay, but I have a wider, I wish it was wider. Okay, anyway, so adorable. This print is everything. And then the bikini bottoms, she cheeky, okay? These are real cheeky. So a couple details to note. They have this very thin string, which I almost wish you could just tie this because this digs in on my handles, you know, but it has a little scrunch booty bum little detail, very, very subtle, but I love this adorable print. It is giving everything. So cute. So this is probably one of my favorites. I wish that I was a little bit more slim and trim to wear it, but you know what? Such is life. If you watched my previous Cupshe haul, I'll throw it up in the cards. I got this bathing suit in green and I knew I wanted it in black. This is such a good bathing suit. I'm so excited to wear it. It's finally warming up in Dallas, but not warm. But I love the pattern on this. I love it. It's actual textured too, which is really quite pretty. Love a good black and white bikini. It's got ties on the side, which make it super adjustable. And then the top is just really cute. It has this little gem in the middle, which I love with the gold detail hardware. And then it's just a simple triangle top. So cute. This is so flattering. Like I said, I have it in the green and I knew I wanted it in the black and white. So Lord bless me with a pool so that I can wear all these bikinis, okay? Next, let's just keep going. This one was kind of a miss for me, I'm not gonna lie. It's cute, the pattern is cute. I just didn't feel like it did anything for my body, which is such a shame because I normally love the, who is it? Jessie Decker? Can't think of her name. Anyway, she normally comes out with the cutest bikinis. This just didn't, I feel like it didn't grow great on my skin. With a tan though, probably would be really pretty, but it's this kind of zebra print with the bottoms as well. And I just felt like these bottoms were a little snug on my hips and waist, but very cute. Love the design cutout. This is more cheeky, not so family friendly, but you know, we all need some options, right? Okay, this next one is by far, I think, my favorite, and it's the first three-piece set that I've gotten from Cupshe. So the first is, it's this brown, beautiful material. So pretty, I love that, okay? It has nice cup pads in there that stay. It's got this little gold detail there. It's a thicker strap on the top, which is nice if you have a larger set to kind of really pull it up, and then just the thinner straps on the side. But they're the same material as the actual bathing suit itself, which is so nice and pretty. The bottoms are just basic. They're great. They're not too full coverage. They're not too skimpy. They're really nice, and the medium fits me perfectly. And then it comes with this super adorable little sarong skirt type thing that's already knotted. You just pull it on. I probably feel so confident in this because I'm not hanging out everywhere all at the same time, you know what I mean? So these are so cute, and I want to get these in like some basic colors that I can mix and match with other bikinis that I have from Cupshe, but this is just so cute. And again, same material, adorable, and very like you can see, not sheer, but like breathable, lightweight, so it's not, so if it's wet, it will dry fast, so on and so forth. So adorable. Okay, moving along. I loved the pattern on this so much. I really have kind of steered away from high-rise bikinis. Sometimes I feel like they can make me look bigger in that section because there's more fabric. So I tend to kind of just like gravitate away from them recently, but I have two in here that are still really cute. So I loved the pattern on this, loved this, and it's like raised bumps. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of got like a fun, really nice, pretty texture, and I love this sort of stitching with the top. So high rise. This top though is stunning. Same kind of like print along the side. This is actual stitched in, not just like, you know, printed on. And then it has the bra clasp in the back, which is nice, and then a big thick tie at the top. This is one of those ones that just like pushes you up and keeps you all in one place and looks really, really cute on. So love that. This next one is also from the Olivia Culpo line, and again, this one is adorable. They just did some really cute bikinis. I love the black with the red. I would never gravitate towards this, but again, giving like cute, very cute. Love the ruffles, love the bra straps, love the thick straps with adjustable pulls in the side and the straps. So adorable, so freaking cute. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Why is that not flipping? Obsessed, 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 okay? And then the bottoms, again, same way. They have just that cute ruffle at the top, and I love this black and white. Or black and red. I would never pick something like this. Like, it never really grabs my eyes, but this caught my attention and I was like, that's adorable. So really, really, really cute. Love. Trying to stop saying obsessed. I know I failed for the first like half of this. Okay, this, you guys, like, I don't know. I don't feel 100% in this. It's cute, and on everybody else, it looks way cuter. Olivia Culpo is pregnant when she's modeling these, and she still looks cuter than I do. This is like a itty bitty, teeny weeny, yellow, black and white polka dot bikini, not polka dot, you know what I mean? So skimpy. She's cute. She's skimpy. This top, gorgeous. Like, look at that. It's kind of like a cream, which is really pretty. It's got this like kind of almost like a clamshell. I don't know. Adorable. I just don't know if it's like, if I need to lose some weight, but no, because listen, everybody deserves a bikini, but that one is just not, oh no. I don't feel my most confident. Again, this also, I felt like, I just don't know. I like Bandeaus for like tanning purposes, but I don't love them for like support for me personally. If you're a smaller chest, I think this is adorable, but for me, it was like, it's not adjustable in the back. Like, I almost need to be able to tie this like so tight in order to like keep my, you know, not in my belly button. But this is, again, I love this pattern. So cute. And there's some really nice texture to it. And it's got this like brown little hoop in the back. But again, no ties. So I would say if you're a larger chest and need to size up to fit, then it can be loose around the band, if that makes sense. So if you're not, if you're a smaller chest girl, get this. So adorable. Love, again, the brown little ring to tie it in. I love this little like detail. I think it's just really freaking cute. Again, black and like this white cream. So adorable. Then let's move along to this colorful bikini. Part of me thinks I tied this wrong, so I'm gonna insert a picture of the model if I actually did it wrong. But chevron. Ooh, so pretty, so colorful, so fun. I own nothing like this and I love it. And then the top, again, I just think I tied it wrong. Maybe I didn't, but it's got these little like silver aglet detailings, or not aglets, little ball beads. And then again, it's raised texture. I don't know if you can see, it's so pretty. This is like really adorable and looks way more expensive than it is. Okay, and then we can't have bathing suit try on without a Meredith Blake bathing suit, right? No one knows, no one needs to even say anything. Black and white is Meredith Blake, okay? Parent Trap. You just know. But this is cute. This is a classic, gorgeous, I feel like with a big sun hat, some little cat eye sunnies. Ooh, adorable. White and black. And then this is a high-rise bikini, but it's got the wrap waist, which I feel like is so flattering and still shows the belly button, which I think is kind of important. So adorable. Next up, we have a little brown one. This one's really fun and a little interesting, a little sexy, if you will. I love the brown. I'm obsessed with brown for swimwear. Love this little gold. This is actually like metal, like kind of, I don't know, oops, the crotch is all twisted. Gorgeous detailing. Love that. Looks very, 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 very expansive. And then again on the top, let me show you. It's right in the middle of the chest. Again, brown ribbed material. Adorable. Okay, I'm trying to like power through these or else this is gonna be like a 40-minute video because I have a lot of bikinis, like I told you. We're manifesting a pool. I loved the color of this. I will say the bottoms ran a little bit big for me, like kind of just bunching a little bit. But this again is like a knitted crocheted type material. So cute. Love this green. This like emeraldy sort of green is my favorite green ever. It's showing up more neon in camera than it is in real life, but again, same kind of triangle top. Oop, I'm upside down. And I actually like these ones that don't move because I feel like they just hold them together, perkied upright, you know. And then last but not least, I have 3 one pieces. I love a good one piece. I feel like one pieces are super sexy and I think they just help you feel like, I don't know, all held in and great and especially family friendly. Okay. This is the first one. I actually have a bikini like this, I believe from Jessie Decker as well. I want to say that's her name. I could be completely butchering it. But this is cool with the cutouts. This has a removable top, so it is a bandeau if you want it to be. But again, I need that support, so it has the straps here. Has a gorgeous little like metal silver detailing here. Love this print. It's like almost like a flower checkered type of thing, and then it goes down and it ties in the back, which is really cute. That actually might work strapless if I have someone tie it real tight, you know? This one is so pretty. Again, this pattern is like, just looks really expensive in my opinion, especially paired with like black sunglasses, like a big oversized hat. Love this gold little aglet or like detail in the middle of the breast, a cute little cutout, adorable straps. These aren't adjustable, and then it has the tie in the back. Good coverage. This print is everything. And then last but not least, this is probably my favorite one piece. Like seriously, I'm a sucker for anything ruffly, okay? Look at those ruffly straps. This is giving almost like bride. So cute. Love this detailing here. Again, stitched in. This is all fabric here, stitched in. The cute little like V cutout here. It does have like cup pads and a little bit of support underneath here, not a ton. Great bottom, not too full coverage at all. Good little cutouts, and I love the little detailing. I had a bathing suit like this from Abercrombie, and this feels much more heavy duty because mine like peeled so bad. Like I sat on something at the pool and it just like snagged it all up. This feels like it wouldn't do that. So here's to hoping that's the case. But that is it, you guys. That is my little oh my god, we're like past spring break, we're into summer, okay, you guys? Bikini haul featuring Cupshe. If you have not checked them out, like, girl, where are you buying your bikinis, okay? Because if you don't want to pay $1 million for a bikini, which that's what happens nowadays, or you're just buying bikinis that like don't hold up and aren't great quality, check out Cupshe. Again, don't forget to use the code LOVEKELLY, which will save you 15% off your order of $65 or more. Again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon.